Hello and welcome. We will see a way to keep a lead-acid battery at an optimum working temperature at a minimum cost in the following video. Keeping a battery cool is a detrimental factor for the life and performance of the battery. Technomax Corporation has developed a seaback effect cooler that can be connected directly to the battery terminal to keep the battery plates at an optimum temperature. We worked on this modality of cooling for 2 years and a patent for it was published in 2016. This is the first of its kind battery cooling device worldwide. Let us examine the concept in some more details. As a rule of thumb, the life of a lead-acid battery would reduce to almost half with every 8 degrees centigrade rise in the temperature above 27 degrees centigrade. Hence, considering a stationary lead-acid battery, for applications like a telecom-based transreceiving station, server room or off-grid solar system, keeping the battery cool is very essential. Normally, wherever possible, air conditioners are used to keep the batteries cool. The cold air from the air conditioner cools the entire room, as well as it tries to cool the batteries through their outside plastic container. This creates 3 concerns. 1. The air conditioner temperature has to be kept lower by at least 5 degrees centigrade, say 22 degrees if the battery is to be maintained at 27 degrees. 2. The plastic container is a bad conductor of heat and cools the plates with very low efficiency. And 3. The battery plate temperature of the entire battery is not the same. The outer plates near the container cools more than the inner plates, creating an uneven longitudinal cooling and uneven resistance of battery plates. While Battcool cools the battery terminal to cool the plates, all these concerns are addressed. We shall not cool the entire room, the battery terminal shall thermally conduct better than the plastic case, and the temperature of the plates shall be maintained more evenly, along the longitude throughout the battery, resulting in more even internal resistance and a better, equal utilization of the plates. Experimental results show a 400 watts of energy requirement is compared to about 2000 watts of energy requirement between the two methods of keeping the batteries cool at a base transreceiving station. Additional advantages of this method of cooling are quite a few, especially at a telecom tower site. Battcool cooling, unlike the air conditioner, does not require 230 or 110 volts AC and can run on 48 volts DC. The main reason for starting the diesel generator in a very short time after a power failure is the requirement of grid voltage for the air conditioner. The battery utilization during a power cut would be much better. If we look at the average battery utilization at a telecom site, it is hardly about 17% of the total battery capacity, before the battery set is replaced. The main reason for this is an almost immediate air conditioner requirement after a power cut, due to which the generator needs to be started. Since battery utilization is improved, automatically, the diesel requirement lowers drastically. Battery life would also be almost double, especially in case of outdoor BTS where there is no battery cooling mechanism presently used due to practical reasons. To save further power, if solar panels are used to power Battcool, the time of highest temperatures would be taken care of, at a very nominal cost, as there is no power conversion required while connecting Battcool to a solar panel. Battcool is manufactured to work with any voltage between 8 to 57 volts DC. Since Battcool has no moving parts except the fan, the life is very high and maintenance is very low. The mean time between failures is about 40,000 hours of actual working. This would practically mean a life of about 9 years before the fan replacement. Due to this, the cost of maintenance of Battcool would be a fraction of the cost of maintenance of air conditioner, whereas the life of Battcool would be at least double the life of the air conditioner. Battcool can be customized to also heat the battery in cold climates and keep the battery at an optimum working temperature. Battcool can make a lead-acid battery outperform a lithium-ion battery in stationary applications in terms of the cost of power. For more details, please get in touch with us through the contact details on the screen. Thanks for watching the video.